Hi guys, in today's video you're going to see a great bit of frost protection to stopping the boiler from freezing. Now this customer's took their own bit of initiative, is a word, to protect their boiler from freezing, or the condensed solid from freezing. So you can see the pipe there, which they've done, and that's all good. And go behind the bins, you know, they've insulated it all there, that's all great. Now just go back here. Now this is the funny bit, so they've also insulated the flue. So look at this, you can see the flue there, and you step back. So we've been called out to this boiler that's not working, so that's what they've done, insulate the flue, stop it from freezing. So that's one of the good jokes for the new year. If you see a flue like this, let me know. So that's it from me, and give me some comments, see what you think about this frost protection. Now you can see it's been removed and it looks a lot better, and the boiler will work as normal. Bye for now.